actually one of the ways that so crypto, you can do a whole lot of things with crypto. And it's going to be more of like a podcast. So people are going to be talking. There's going to be some people talking. And so it's going to be a little bit different tonight. So you guys are going to be able to ask questions and know things. But the first thing everybody should do right now is I have a lot of different crypto wallets. So I would love for you guys to all right now try to open up a crypto wallet. And this one's free. And you won't be tracked how much money you have in here. So if you guys could, I want everybody to open up their first crypto wallet if you don't have one right now.
How do we go about doing that?
And I'm going to show you right now. Okay. Exodus. So it's called Exodus, and you guys go to exodus.com.
Okay, hold on a second.
And this, to me, is the best. You know, I've been with them for years and years. They have a lot of different cryptocurrencies you can buy on here. And also it's decentralized, which is what you want to do when you're doing crypto. And so you can send crypto here, 180 plus different kind of cryptos, and then you can exchange them where you could turn it into Bitcoin, and then you could send it somewhere and turn it into cash. So this is a good information for anybody that wants to start having crypto. And I also have other ones that you can get on your phone too. This is the one that I prefer on my laptop or desktop, and it's free. So all you're gonna do is hit exodus.com. Then you're gonna go right here and go get Exodus now.
Oh, I didn't get that part.
Oh.
Hold on, let me.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Missed you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, go to what?
Yeah, thank you. So you're gonna go to exodus.com.
Okay, I got that Bitcoin and crypto wallet.
We're just waiting for Robert. We're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna talk, but there's gonna be other people that can listen. And we'll talk about our crypto and get crypto and stuff. Man, everything tanked, but it did start going back up though. But yeah, last week, whew. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
You call me
Mhm.
when it gets really big.
Yeah, they were gonna be good.
Me too.
Oh yeah. So I have a couple crypto programs where I'm putting money in and they pay me every day. So like the APR thing like that. So I found 2 of them like that, where you could basically put in money and then they pay you every day. And I take it out every day. So I was gonna tell you guys about that.
Okay.
Then Robert has some good information.
Okay.
So here you guys do, while we're talking, you guys right here, click this. And then if you're on a Mac, you're gonna click this one. If not, you're gonna click this for the regular one. And then if you want to get it on your phone, you can get all this stuff. Okay. Yeah.
So do you have to do either or can you do them both?
That's what we could do that with. Let me see, what was I talking
about? Hey, Charles, which platform are you running? You on your,
that's on our trading.
I'm doing it. I'm gonna do it on my laptop.
We download the one that's to the right of the apples.
A lot of people.
I don't have an Apple phone.
Right.
Yeah, I mean it's like yeah.
But you put it on your laptop now, right?
Yeah.
So you click on that one, Charles. With arrow.
Huh?
That's good.
You see where the arrow is circle at? That's what you're gonna download.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you got a big discount right now?
You know, where they get 20% Costco shelter.
Oh man.
And so people are coming all of a sudden going, oh.
So I'm gonna download the Windows.
No, so I'm going back and
Yes. I don't even know where I was at.
So I'm gonna download the Windows. Is that what I'm doing?
Yes, sir. Unless you got a MacBook.
No, I don't have a MacBook.
I forgot mine, so I grabbed the blanket.
Um,
I don't even know. Oh, here it is.
sort of physical.
You did?
I mean,
Let's get this on TV. Oh, Michael Jackson. Talking about crypto. doing the moonwalk.
Came back from the grave.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
yeah, you might have a few things to say. Like, guess what? You can't take all those drugs and stay on Earth.
Yeah, it ain't gonna work. It's not gonna work at
You know,
all.
they think it's okay because the doctor prescribed it, you know,
Yeah,
and it's not
that's
okay.
not gonna work. So you hit right here, you guys, or you could hit this. This is a Mac, or this is just
Right,
regular.
hit that one.
If you want to get it on your phone, you hit this one. If you got an Apple phone, if you got an Android phone, you're gonna hit this one.
Hello, sir. I made that zone, sir.
Yeah, it's saying that you got another meeting in progress, so it's kind of not doing that for me.
Dave, you talking to me? No, okay. All right, so once we hit this right here, you're gonna click it, and then it's gonna go Windows 64, or you could do the Mac, you could do none of that, just this one at the top. If you got a regular computer, if you got a Mac computer, you hit this one.
I
Okay,
did that.
okay. Now you're gonna click it, and then you're gonna get this thing down here, and you're gonna click this right here. Or you go to your downloads and you click it. Okay.
Now, Beach, what's crazy, it says, welcome to Exodus, but I haven't put no information in.
Okay, mine says installing.
Yep. There's another one you can get to. That's a great one. There's another one called Trust Wallet. You got to use your phone to do it. It's a little easier. This one right here. So you can use this one too. It's called Trust Wallet. This is the other one that I use. And you guys could download this on your phone. It's a little simpler to do on your phone. So you have all your crypto on your phone and everything like that. So we'll go over this again. I'll put videos about it. And so don't worry about it. We're going to start talking about some of the best cryptos. If you guys have heard of any cryptos and want to know about anything, then we can answer your questions. We're going to go right into talking about the top 5 cryptos that we like right now and that we're investing in. And so I'll be using my screen to talk about that. So, you know, probably the best crypto to invest in is called Bitcoin. Hope you guys understand that. And right now it's at $29,893. About 2 weeks ago, it was at $40,000 and it dropped down about 25%, but it's on its way back. It went all the way down to 26,000 and it's on its way back. You see today it's kind of rising up. And so Bitcoin is like the godfather of all of them. And now we got different ones that are getting good and have different reasons to use them. So our favorite coin of all is going to be Bitcoin, just because there's only a limited amount. There's only so many million of the coins, something in the 20 million coins. So that's why this is so valuable. Our next coin that we want to talk about, and the one that I really want people to buy more than Bitcoin, is called Ethereum. And so if you do just have a couple of thousands of dollars you want to invest into coins, you want to do Ethereum. Ethereum has a blockchain that's being used for so many different things, for computers, even running like Amazon warehouses. They use a blockchain of Ethereum, and there's different coins that are used on Ethereum. And so that's a really, really good one. So that's our number 2. Our number 3 is kind of split in between. We have 2 of them. We got something called Solana. And Solana is basically like an Ethereum. It's almost the same kind of system, but it runs faster, and it's worth $53. If we look at it, it's been on a downtrend. So I believe it was $100 like maybe a little bit ago. Let's see, that would have been May 5th. Yeah, May 5th, it was $94, and now it's all the way down to $53. So this is really a good buy right now. This is a really, really good one. So if you guys want a portfolio of these 5 top coins, this is going to be one of your top 5 that's going to really go up in the future. So if you missed out on Ethereum, you missed out on Bitcoin, Solana is really good. Then you got another coin. Our next coin is called, and it's probably the same as that one, and it's called Cardano. We're just waiting on Robert because he has the paper. I know he's just chatting up with Jamie. We should have told Jamie to come in here, but so they could all come together. But and then we got another one called Cardano, and Cardano is a really, really good coin also. And it was just at $1 a little bit ago. Let's see right here. On May 4th, it was at 90 cents, and it's at 56 cents right now. So this is one of those that you could really come in at a really, really low price and really make a lot of money. This is going to get up to $100, maybe $1,000 in a short time. A lot of people like Cardano. And Cardano.
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 Cardano. It's Italian.
Italian.
That's right. And Robert, what's our 5th best crypto right now? Remember the 5 that we had? Cardano, Solana, Ethereum.
Yeah, I guess you all got them.
Give me, what's another one? Solana, Cardano,
Did you have
Ethereum.
this? I have it.
You got your list? Okay, we're gonna pull out the list, and this is a list of Ticket to Ware, right? Or are we doing Jeff Brown?
One of the ones that last week we had the 6.
Hey, Lonnie, is the Dodge going?
Jamie, you have it right there? The list of the 6 pick. It was he gave us a sheet of paper, remember? We all got it. Yeah. No, not that one, Jamie. It was a piece of paper that had it that he gave us. No, it was a piece of, here it is right here. Okay. Here we go.
Which ones were they?
It was
I had it. I don't know what happened.
these papers right here. So we do, is this the same? This is 23rd. Yeah. Okay, and then we wanted Cosmo, right? Yeah, and then we got one called Cosmo, or its name is Atom also. Atom. And so those are our top 5. And so right now, kind of the cryptos kind of went down in value.
I mean,
They tanked.
Good time to buy.
Yes, the best time to buy.
that's it.
Yeah.
Except I don't have any money, I can't buy. At least not yet. So I'm just hanging with what I have.
He never wants it. I'm gonna get him exactly what he wants from me. So I can see it when you eat. I always try to offer you stuff. Exactly. Yeah, we're gonna go like Benihana's or something all together. I love Benihana's. You like Benihana's?
If I had money right now, I could be making money, not in cryptos, in stocks.
Oh, you like stocks right now?
No, well, yeah, because cryptos are, forget it. But they, you could be doing, I could be doing put options on some of the companies that are tanking.
Or buy more cryptos at the right price.
Yeah. Or sell the crypto. When you're trading, you can sell the crypto. That's what we do. Go both ways with it. But I think this is I think Robert is rebounding right now. What are they saying?
Here's you can copy that. Here's what's his name? Jeff Brown's market volatility update.
Okay.
So make copies of that.
Want me to read it out to everybody?
It tells you the catalyst behind the bank run. Okay, so it explains what's going on, why cryptos are down, and
Terra Luna was crazy.
and I also got see, look at the portfolio right now. Tika's portfolio. Oh my God.
It went down big time.
Polygon Matic down 42%, AVAX 38%, Phantom 82%, Solana is up. Stacks, one of my best ones,
It's down now, right?
67%.
Yeah. That's a good one.
And
So Solana is a good one to buy. I knew that was gonna be good. It's priced really good. It's starting to go back up.
Solana. And he says buy up to $250.
Yeah.
And so recent price is 49. Whenever they tell you to buy up, they give you a huge number.
Yeah.
That means that's going to be a good one. Okay.
So Solana's at $54 right now, and it's saying to buy up to 200, over $200. $250. So that's a 5-time profit that they believe that it's going to go up. So this one right here, this is really my guy. This is like the next Ethereum, but it's priced really good because Ethereum's priced at about 2,000. It was at 4,000 a second ago. Ethereum went down to 2,000.
Oh yeah, Ethereum is way down. Yeah.
But it's still good though.
Uh,
That's a good one.
Ethereum,
Oh, yeah.
Recent price 2,000.
Yeah.
I made this today.
Okay.
So these are recent prices.
Mhm.
Ethereum is down to 2,000.
Yeah.
Okay, and it went up. It was at 43 is the highest.
Yeah.
4,300.
Yeah, because it has the blockchain technology. So Ethereum is really good. That's what Solana has, the same kind of technology as Ethereum, but it's just at a really cheaper price right now.
But believe it or not,
And
they
there's a
didn't
lot of
recommend. Okay, Terra Luna
NFTs
is the one that.
That's gone.
Well, not quite. No.
Really?
It
You
says
couldn't buy it.
Oh, it says to hold.
Yeah, you couldn't
Terra
buy it
Luna,
right now.
hold.
It was at $100.
It's right now
Went down to like
open
1 cent.
price. Terra Luna 13 cents. Recent price is you can't even. It's a percentage of a penny.
Yeah. Went from $100 all the way down to nothing.
Hey, Beach, I got a question for you.
Yes,
Can we trade these on 8cap other than BTC?
some of them. Ethereum you can. You got to look and make sure they're one of the top ones. Yeah, so this Solana, this is a good price. If somebody's a beginner buyer, what do we recommend? Like $300 to $500?
That's what Tika recommends because if you're a small investor, 300 to 500, big investor 500 to 1,000.
Yeah, 500 to 1,000 on the coins that we're talking about. If you're a more bigger investor, but the little investors, 300 to 500 should be good for you.
Mm-hmm.
And so what we do is we buy different ones every week, right?
Well, lately, last week we kind of skipped it.
Yeah, last week we skipped it because it was so bad in news. I think we just slept in that day.
There's no new ones. They're not recommending anything right now.
Yeah.
At least not yet. So nothing new.
But having an understanding of it, I think, based on their knowledge is good.
Well, no. Here's.
Should I read this bank run thing?
Everybody needs to read this if you want to find out what happened with Terra Luna and
Okay.
why cryptos are down.
Okay.
Okay,
So I'm gonna read it.
it explains it. So
Okay, so the catalyst behind the bank run, it all started unfolding on May 9th. That's when a stable coin called UST or Terra Luna USD started to depeg, falling as low as 25 cents earlier this week from its 1-to-1 peg to the US dollar. As Jeff and I have discussed in previous updates, stable coins are cryptocurrencies that look to maintain their value with a real world asset. In this case, 1 UST should be worth 1 US dollar. Initially, this was not a cause for concern. That's because the Terra Luna blockchain project uses an algorithm to bring its UST token back to its peg. The way this works is fairly complicated. That's because there are about a dozen minor nuances throughout the system. But at a high level, a user needs to deposit $1 worth of Luna, another cryptocurrency related to the project, to receive 1 UST. This is what gives UST its backing. Simultaneously, the reverse can also take place. A user with 1 UST can claim $1 of Luna from the treasury by depositing their UST. The UST is then destroyed or burnt after the swap. This conversion even holds true when UST is worth less than 1 US dollar. If 1 UST were to trade at 95 cents, a user would be incentivized to swap the asset for 1 worth of Luna. In essence, they would make a 5% return instantly. The same holds in reverse. If UST is trading above $1, a user will be incentivized to swap 1 worth of Luna to receive UST worth more than $1. So does everybody understand what we're saying?
Well, I kind of, no,
Yeah.
I know what's going on.
So there's a cryptocurrency coin and it basically follows the dollar. So whatever the dollar is,
Those are stable. coins.
yeah, they're called
Stable,
stable coins and they're
Yeah.
pegged to the dollar, right?
pegged to the dollar.
Mhm.
Yes, that's why if you want to keep your money in a stable coin that it's not gonna go, then you buy stable coins.
Yeah, but what if the dollar is gonna value, which it's gonna do? Then what?
I don't know. The dollar is already losing.
Well, I don't know.
So what happened?
This
This is
analysis stuff is too complicated. So this is, I mean, I'm not a crypto expert, so, and the guys that are coders and they're into this, I mean, they understand it, they know.
yeah.
I don't.
We don't understand everything about this crypto, but we're trying to learn, but we earn enough to be able to put some in and pull some out.
Well, the thing is that we depend on these people,
Right.
okay? Without them, I wouldn't know what to do.
Yeah. So we depend on the people that know what they're doing. And they're insiders. They're the people that are,
And we're
inside of
paying-
the people
we're
that are
paying
making the stuff and everything like that. So the reason why the Luna, this is the biggest disaster since probably, last week. It was probably the biggest disaster in cryptocurrency. Because what happened was instead users didn't swap Luna for UST, nor did UST holders convert to Luna to take advantage of the UST being valued at less than $1. This is because Luna experienced a vicious sell-off. The token dropped over 30% between May 5th and 8th.
Yes.
We can see this in the chart below, and it shows us a chart, and it's just,
And
did we have a couple of these? Do we need to print some more?
yes, I made 2 copies. So if you just
Yeah.
print them, so you have, and the reason it says right there is that a lot of crypto people that are into crypto are young.
Yeah.
They haven't been through depressions.
Right.
Okay, like old people or old timers in the stock market,
Mhm.
like Warren Buffett. They look forward to these dips because that's when they know,
Yeah.
and that's when they buy more. You can make more. These young people don't,
Right.
and so they sell.
Yeah.
They panic and sell
Yeah.
because they still haven't realized that crypto is the new gold and silver. Okay, remember in inflation, the biggest one in the 80s, where gold went from $35 to $860, because that's when we had the peanut guy, the peanut man as president. And we had gas. Remember waiting in lines for natural gas and the economy tanked and inflation was like, I mean, interest rates were like 15%.
Wow.
Okay, it was a mess. And so gold went from $35 an ounce to 800 and some, okay?
Wow.
Now, with crypto is supposed to be take the place of gold. That's where people put their money when inflation and the dollar and you know everything goes to pot. But maybe they haven't realized it. And what I don't understand is why gold and silver are not going up like
Gold is going down.
well.
The dollar's getting stronger for the
Well,
last week because I'm trading.
Yes.
The dollar's actually getting stronger.
Yes. Yeah. And so
So that doesn't make sense. Like the dollar's getting stronger, which means crypto should be going up.
it doesn't
right?
make sense.
And
it's
The gold
really
and silver
weird.
should go up. If the dollar's going up, gold and silver shouldn't be less. It should be worth more because how much can the dollar? So right now there's like, it's inflated because of our government. Our government is making things, you know, making the dollar look stronger than what it is.
Everything is manipulated.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so it's real hard, but it can't. So I absolutely truly do not know what's going to happen. Okay.
Yeah.
That's why they say don't invest any money in crypto that you cannot afford to lose.
Yeah.
That's so you don't get wiped out when something like this happens.
I'm gonna put that down.
I happen to believe that it's future, like a lot of people, and so this is going to happen, and they just have to write it out. It's not like a lot of stocks that you used to buy and hold, not anymore. This one is so. On the one hand, the big money, the whales and stuff are into it more and more and more and more, but all the young people that are into crypto are panicking and selling. So
that brings the crypto down.
Hmm?
That brings the crypto down.
yeah, when you sell,
Yeah, they're scared. A lot of people right now are scared, and a lot of people, somebody else got them in it. They don't kind of know what they're doing. They start seeing it go down. They're like, oh my gosh, they don't want to, but it's gonna rebound. People that's been in crypto, this happens every year.
it's something
every
new.
year
The
it goes
the
down,
people
and
that
then it goes
started
back
it
up.
10 years ago and that believe in crypto, those are the ones that made a lot of money. Okay.
Well,
But
I'm
then they-
hanging in there and you'll make lots of money. That's
Oh,
why-
yeah.
that's why I'm playing
Oh yeah.
So
it.
Never made that $1,000.
Oh yeah. So rule number one on crypto is basically don't invest what you don't have. That's always a rule number one in every investing, right?
yeah. And it depends on everyone. I have all my money in crypto.
Yeah.
So,
You have some gold.
huh?
You have some gold.
Well, yeah. Yeah. As a matter of fact, I just sold a lot of my junk silver just to fix my car.
Nice.
Yeah, I am. Yes, I am. I just realized that I had a set of pandas, little quarter-ounce pandas that the 25th in 19. They started making pandas China in 78, I think. And in 2007, at the 25th anniversary, they did a set. You could buy a set, either half ounce, 1 ounce, or quarter-ounce pandas. And I paid $699 back in 2007, I think. And now they're selling for 2,000.
Yeah.
But see, these are little pandas.
Those are like 4 times the money then?
Right now.
Yeah, with silver. So silver went up
Hey,
4
but
times in about 10
Yeah,
years.
yeah, but it has nothing to do
Crypto
with the
goes
price
up
of
4
silver.
times.
It's their pandas.
Oh,
Look,
because they're rare.
the Chinese government started minting pandas in 1988 or 82. I have a gold coin 1982. You know, you always want to get the first or the last of something. The same with cars.
Okay.
The first
Or the last.
and the last. Those are the ones that are forward. The first is worth a lot more of anything, you know. So,
That's so true.
but the Chinese people, there's 1.25 billion Chinese people. Well, now, and there's a lot of wealthy Chinese. Okay, they could not buy their own pandas. Can you believe that? They minted 30,000 of these sets, on the whole set, 25 coins, distributed out to the world. 30,000. And the Chinese people could not buy it. This is for export, for out, you know. I'm sure that some of the hierarchy from the Communist Party, you know damn well that they were able to get us in. That's why it's going up so much. So pandas will appreciate a lot, way more than the content of the silver itself. So right now silver is at 22. So if silver goes to 50, 100, which is when gold goes up, silver is going to break loose. These little pandas are going to be worth, you know, a lot of money. Any silver will be worth more money, but collectibles, you know, like pandas and silver eagles, they'll be worth a lot more. So I'm selling this collection for $2,000 for my coffee. But I paid $699, so I'm doing pretty good. That way I don't have to come up with the cash.
Instead of extra money, it should be money you can throw away. Oh, just kidding.
Or Rosenbach.
Only you have that.
That's how I look at it. If I pull $100, I ain't never gonna see it again unless it does its thing. But it's money that I'm like.
That you can afford to lose any some
I
kind of.
can't afford to lose anything, but
Okay. Well, then don't.
it's the thinking, the mentality behind that. And I lost $60 on my last go around, and now it's gone back up a whole 20. But
Good job.
Oh,
For a while it was doing. For a while
That's
it go
good.
down 20, go back up 20, go down 20, go back up 20. And all of a sudden it took a $69 dive. And I went, oh, I knew you would.
Yeah.
oh.
And that's
So
when
now
people
it's
got
turned
out, right?
back up.
But some people stayed in. So those are pretty good rules. Don't invest unless you have extra money in crypto. Learn from a professional. That's what we're doing, right? We're taking professional advice.
Oh, absolutely.
You just don't come in there and try to learn everything yourself. It's not gonna work.
How would you know which cryptos of the 16,000?
Yeah, 16,000 crypto.
You know, maybe 100 of them are the ones that are going to, you know.
Do
So
something real.
that's what we're relying on Jeff Brown and Tika and bye-bye. And so I'm confident with these two guys.
Yeah.
I haven't known or heard of others that are, you know, except the investor plays that you and I. They call him the godfather of crypto, Charlie Shrimp.
Charlie Shrimp, yeah. So Charlie Shrimp, Tika Taware, he's one of the number ones who researched him.
He's the one that was made, and you can check it out and it's proof. You have to take his word. He's the one that's made more millionaires in crypto than anyone
More
else.
millionaires than anybody else. And
But
then
they
you
thought
got,
he was crazy.
I got it.
Okay.
Then you got Jeff Brown. He actually started in stocks. He's big in stocks, and now
He's
he
an angel investor.
Oh,
He's an
angel
insider with biotech. Okay, so these guys hang out with money people, they're inside.
Yeah, they're insiders, so they know what's going to happen.
They knew.
And this isn't regulated like stocks and bonds. This is not regulated. So if you're an insider, you know,
Exactly.
everybody might say, hey, we're going to put our money in at this time,
Exactly.
goes up, and then we'll take our money out on this day.
Exactly.
So to know these people
Charlie
is really
Shrimp.
good.
He knows. He's an insider in crypto. He's one of the original guys that read the white paper, Satoshis and stuff. And he's a brilliant coder and computer guy. You know, those are the guys that
To know what's going on.
That know what's going on with crypto, and they're the ones that can tell which of these smaller coins that are starting up have the right combination of things to become,
Yeah.
to go really, really.
So out of the five that we always talk about, right? Which one does anybody want to invest today?
Um,
I like Solana. I like Solana and I like Ethereum. Solana. C-A. Solana. Mhm. Yeah.
Solana Beach.
Yeah. We got some.
Solana Beach.
We already
You
got
don't
some
say
Solana.
Beach.
Solana Beach.
Solana.
Solana Beach. So we're looking into that. We're gonna buy it. Yeah, we're gonna buy a couple right now. It was at $100. It went down to 54. And it looks like it's gonna be turning back around and going back up. You can see right here that it hit a major support level right here. That's about 54. The lowest it went to was 53 today. Let's look at on a 7-day progress. It did go down to $48 and is bouncing back up to, it's at 54 right now. So this is a really good price. It already hit its low like about 5 days ago.
Okay.
And it looks like it's gonna go back into profit now. Just as a trader, I'm looking at it. And you can see right here, it's been going down and now it hit its lowest and it's going back up. This is a monthly look. That's in your Exodus. Yeah. So we're gonna buy some Solana Beach. Solana Beach. Thank you for giving me a Thai word too.
Solana here, let me say Solana. Solana.
What about
okay.
not the facial recognition?
Okay, Solana.
And
They bought it in 2021. Okay, that's only a year ago.
okay.
53 cents. No, I'm sorry. $49.
$49. So that's why look where it hit. It hit.
And recent price is $49.59. Okay.
Yeah.
And it says buy up to 250. So that's a good one. It's down.
Yep. And we have Solana, but we also actually get a percentage every day. We get a percentage. It's called an APY. So APY is given 5.27%, and not daily, but I think that's for the year. And so we get a percentage on it to basically stake it in Exodus, the Exodus wallet. So that's why I told everybody to get Exodus, because you can actually stake. And that means that you're not going to move your money for a little while and then you make money off of it. Yeah, we got to get you. But I think we set up the cash app. They just send it. So another thing we do is we set up a cash app, and you could use your bank account to buy Bitcoin, and then you can send it into the Exodus wallet, or you can get a Coinbase account. A Coinbase account is not decentralized, so the government is going to know what you're doing in there, but you could basically sign your bank account up with that and buy any kind of crypto from Coinbase. So there's two ways to kind of put money in and take money out. Did it work for you?
No, I don't have my, no, I left it.
That little book, you don't have it? Oh.
No, I tried that. But it didn't.
So I think we could buy it off of the Coinbase too, though.
Oh, okay.
Solana, yeah. Solana's a big one. We can get you some on there too.
Look, if you don't want to go wrong with the other set, just buy Ethereum.
Yeah,
right now.
Ethereum's silly shit.
Jesus, it's 2,000. It's
I
down
know.
from its high of 44, I think, is when it's worth. It's less than half right now.
Yeah.
You know, when Jane bought it, she bought it at when it was really cheap. Now she hasn't lost any money on it.
Yeah, 2,000 is so cheap for Ethereum, you guys. If you guys look at this.
I would just buy it right now. I would just buy Ethereum. Okay, if I had money, I just put, you know, $2,000-3,000 of Ethereum.
Yeah.
And then, I wouldn't have to worry about these other altcoins. Look, the smaller coins are more
These
volatile.
coins
okay?
probably aren't, these coins aren't gonna die off like Luna. Like Ethereum will probably always be around.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ethereum is dying.
Yeah, Ethereum has so
And
many
Bitcoin.
applications, so many things use it. So that's why Robert's saying the best buy right now, since the economy kind of dropped on us, is Ethereum. Because we know for sure
Forget this other altcoins. Right
Yeah.
now, I would just
Ethereum
put
and
the money
Bitcoin.
in Ethereum, and that's like as sure as.
Yeah.
And so
So Ethereum, if you look at Ethereum,
I'm going to buy Ethereum. It's just right now when I get some money, I'm going to get some money sooner. I'm buying Ethereum.
this is the lowest 1800. Okay, beautiful.
Oh, I didn't bring that list of the 6 coins.
We have it right
Does
here.
anybody have?
Yeah,
Oh,
just
okay.
I was just looking at.
Which are they? What
Oh,
are they?
Jamie took it. Yeah, did he leave? Let me see. Let me get the right folder.
Yeah. I just hope they stay down until I get money. And then I'm going to load up with the best ones. And Ethereum being one of them.
Right here. How did he grab that? That's so weird.
We were talking and he told me
He just made a.
he was leaving, right?
So let's see.
So Jamie, did you hang around today?
His relative came from out of town.
Oh. Mhm.
So Ethereum, the lowest it's went, it was on 511. It went down to 1700,
Oh.
and now it's on its way back up.
What is it now?
It is on 20, yeah, $2,041.
That's it.
I
Yeah.
think I bought it.
I would buy it.
Yeah.
I would buy it right now. I hope it stays down. I hope it goes down soon, but once
Yeah, that's the best.
I
best
think
buy.
once they start on the uptrend, I don't think they go up a little bit. And then Chris, I don't think that's what it works up at. Who knows? Who knows?
That Matt's right. He talks about, he gets into that fast. He goes, yeah, okay, this is opposed to this and then, you know.
Yeah. See, look at this graph right here. So the lowest it went, this is on a 7-day. So this is the lowest it went. See how it dipped down here and
Yeah.
shot back up real quick?
Yeah.
That's called the support. It should never go that low. But
They
then
have
it,
support. Yeah.
yeah,
a
then it's
certain-
tested right here. It
Mhm.
tested again at 1900. And then it said that's still too low. So then it went back up. And now there's a support like right around $2,000 where it hit 2,000 a couple days, but it keeps on trying to go back up.
Mhm.
So it looks like to me,
Okay, so let's buy about 2,000.
okay. So see where it went? Boom, it crumpled, went down here,
Mhm.
and then now it's on its way back up.
Yeah, well, that's when a lot of people started buying when it hit what is it,
Yeah,
17?
they were like, wow,
Oof. Yeah.
this
I
is
mean,
in 3
you
months.
know, if you're an investor, long term, that's what you do.
Yeah.
I mean, if you believe in these, you know.
Mhm.
See,
Just
this
like-
is where it
just
should
like
probably be.
Apple, Just like Apple and
25.
Amazon, you know they're not going to go anywhere. So what if all of a sudden for some reason, you know, when it goes down 10%, people load up right away. 10%, oh my God, they buy, right?
Yeah.
The good investors, the smart money.
Yeah.
Amazon went down,
hmm
Amazon went down.
Everything went down.
Everything.
Everything went up.
But it needs to, Amazon's expensive.
Yeah.
But you don't have to buy 3,000. You don't have to buy one share. You can buy 1/10 of a share. So you can invest 400, 500, 1,000. You don't have to.
That's, I heard, Costco's may go up, split.
Man, Costco's a good buy. Oh my goodness. I love Costco.
The big companies like that, like Apple, Amazon, that you can't go wrong when you buy when you buy, when they're down. It's just that you don't know how much they're gonna go down.
Right.
It doesn't matter.
But usually you wait for them to go down.
Mhm.
See, if we would have just tried to catch it on its lowest at 17, because right now we're like, oh, I wish we would have got at 17, but it might have went down to 14 or 13. So now it's on its way back up. And that's my trading philosophy is when it starts going back up from its lowest, it's called a bounce. And that's when you want to start buying because it got some momentum moving up.
Yeah.
It's hard to stop the momentum from going down. We might have thought we probably would have thought it was going to stop right here. Look where it stopped
Well,
at like 2,300, but then it took another nosedive. And now it looks like it's rebounding back up. So
well, see, the smart investors do dollar cost averaging when it's going down.
Yeah.
When there's a recession, like right now, in a good stock is going down, they buy $500, and then when it goes next week, another 500, and next week, or whatever.
yeah,
But day by day or week by week, see, dollar cost averaging. That way, you catch it. If it keeps going down, you buy a little more rather than waiting and then buying a whole big chunk.
right.
By little bits as it goes down.
Yeah, put
So-
something out there so you can catch that one and then put more when it starts going your right way.
Mhm.
Yeah, because we're not through this recession yet.
Hmm?
No, talking about a depression. We're probably in, but they're not going to say the word. If they say depression, people get scared. So that, but it's really bad right now. They said something June 15th is like this day where a lot of people are gonna start getting kicked out of their
Okay,
houses.
here's what Oracle got
We're
about
in
this.
unprecedented time.
Yeah,
However, I refuse to get into the fear of it, and I want to continue in this, you know.
oh yeah, we're
because-
good.
Because we do have more, I think about in the spiritual, we have more good happening than ever has happened.
Oh,
Even
yeah.
though you're hearing more of both, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and so, I think we're gonna be okay, although I think we're gonna see some more corrections.
Right.
And and you're right, there's more theft now than ever,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
you know,
It's
people
amazing.
just glamour for, here's one of the big ones, is they follow the Prime, the Amazon trucks, and they, over and over, they're taking pages.
You're whipping off Amazon
Yeah.
trucks?
Oh,
Wow,
yeah, they follow,
that's
and
bad.
they grab it before the client can, or before the homeowner can get it. It's a
Crypto
happening thing.
night, our family, our friends. That's
I wrote
good,
down,
guys.
Jeff Brown is
Very-
gonna have a thing Wednesday, where he's gonna talk about all this.
Okay,
Wednesday at 5 o'clock. Okay,
Okay,
I'm not gonna miss it. So, but I didn't write down the where you go
okay.
to see the video. It's usually that's about an hour. So I want to hear what he says about everything. That's who we're signed up with. That's who we listen to.
Yeah.
You know? And if Tika has one, I'll listen. Because when those guys, when they come out and talk, they know.
Yeah,
When they have these things to tell all their people, they have hundreds of thousands of people, and they have a reputation now. Because see, if these guys weren't for real, they couldn't stay.
no.
They
Tika
couldn't-
Torari has 600,000 students.
Uh-huh.
You know how much money, just that education monthly and all.
But they have a trove of highly skilled people working for it.
Oh, you got to, with all those people, it's not a one-man show.
What are you kidding? He travels all over the world, and he has people, a whole team of people.
Yeah,
They're in their computers all day long, just gather information. And now, with computers now, you can, they tell you all kinds of, they have these waves, they study these waves, that
the charts,
the algorithms
Yeah.
and, so they know, what do we know?
Yeah. So our picks for this week, we're going Ethereum for the sure investor.
Mhm.
We got that. That's a for sure
I
for
would
us
just
to buy some
if I had
Ethereum.
money, like you guys, I would just buy it more Ethereum right now. It's so
Yeah.
cheap.
And then for our altcoin, we have Solana. Solana. Huh? Solana. So Solana's our altcoin that we're saying is gonna go up, and then we have Ethereum. So man,
Those two, if you want to put some money.
yeah. So you guys look into that, and you guys have some fun. We're gonna be back on the live stream trading in about 4 minutes. So you guys get some water and come back on. I'm gonna end this. Thank you guys for participating, and God bless everybody.
What's up, Damon?
Hey, how you doing?
Hanging in there.
Getting ready to bring them on.
What's going on, Damon?
Everything good, sir? How are you?
Oh, everything's good, my brother.
Awesome.